बहुत सारे कल्चर्स ने मिलके बनाया गोवा को अपना घर एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा करके दे ऑल एडेड अप टू व्हाट गोवा इज टुडे। और उनमें से एक है सरस्वत कोंकणी कल्चर एंड आई नो just the right place to get a taste of this culture, that is the famous kokum curry.
It's entirely a labor of love. I used to always document Goan heritage food, and for me this has been a natural progression from what I've always been doing, cooking heritage recipes and serving it. So it's just that I've done it commercially now, but I would still say this is more of a mission than a commercial venture for me. The fact that this particular genre of cuisine has remained sacred to our kitchens, our kind of cuisine has been maybe underrepresented in Goa. So when I came out with this concept of introducing it and bringing it mainstream, so you can make out by the popularity of the restaurant that it does have a lot of takers. Yeah, so we do everything the hard way, the grinding, and so we don't have mother gravies that one gravy will go for 10 dishes or things like that. So there is every dish that we prepare here has its own preparation style, which is unique to just that. So there are very subtle nuances that differentiate the Brahmin cuisine from the other Hindu cuisine of Goa. Tamarind, chili, the proportions and the use. Excess use of oil is never there in our. Then we do not use leavening agents. We do not use colors, artificial colors. So these kind of things, I think set our cuisine apart. You try our chicken chakuti, which is very good. Our mutton sukha and sungtache bhuzne, which is a prawn, a balshao preparation, but which is made the Hindu way. For vegetarians, we have a stack of dishes. I don't even want to tell you. We've got a whole list of things. We simply love serving the vegetarians. And I remember there was one incident when a lady just came and hugged me and she said, "Thank you for being kind to vegetarians." I'm telling you, you try our vegetarian fare and then give me your word on that. Verdict. I think that itself, people come for that. And it is loved. So if it can be loved by people in Kolkata and Delhi and Hyderabad, people who visit here often, again and again, I would think that this will definitely reach out to the world someday.